Individuals are going insane over ChatGPT. The opportunities are boundless and the chances of making money haven't been as simple as now. Agreeing to OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, the AI-powered chatbot has crossed 1 million users just in around 7 days. So if you have yet to take benefit of this unique and interesting technology, you're wasting your chances because ChatGPT gives numerous ways to assist you make money online easily. To help you with that, I'm going to share the finest 5 ways to generate money online with the help of ChatGPT, and the best part of all is that all these ways don't require any experience. You merely need to copy and paste to generate $20, $30, $50 and up to $100 per day without doing anything yourself. So make sure not to skip any part of the video and watch it till the end, because I will give you tips and tricks to achieve maximum results quickly. If you still need to become more recognizable with ChatGPT and how to utilize it, don't worry, I'll explain it to you and give you a quick example of how everything works. ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. The built-in AI chatbot generates responses based on written prompts in an advanced and unique way. The AI-powered chatbot can crank an essay in a matter of seconds and summarize books in one tap. You see how insane and powerful that is? Alright, if you go to chat.openai.com and log in, you'll land on this page. As you'll be able to see here, we have some options you can try. And on the left-hand side you can change the mood between dark and light. And here's the chatbot where all the magic happens. You can simply type anything you want, just as in case you're chatting with a fellow. So for example, let's type in the chat box, "Can you summarize the book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad?" And as you can see, like magic, the iBot has generated a detailed answer in just a few seconds with only one click. If you think we're done, then you're wrong. We can continue our chat and even let the chatbot, for example, give us the best 3 ideas from the book. So again, we type here in the chat field, "Give me the top 3 ideas from the book." As you can see, in just seconds we have an answer without doing the research ourselves. I can't say enough about how powerful this tool is. I feel that ChatGPT will become the new Google in the future. Let me know in the comments if you agree with that. Now that you have a clear idea about the process, we can start with the first way to make money online, using ChatGPT, which is selling blog posts and articles. Let's say you've got an order to write an article about the best ways to generate money online. All you need to do is head off to ChatGPT and let the AI technology write the article for us. Just be creative with how you lead the chat. For example, split the process into different parts by starting with the article's headline, for example, and then moving on to the main content, and be specific to get high-quality results. The second way is selling brand names. You need to create a brand name for a beauty company. Ask the chatbot to provide you name options for a beauty brand, and as you'll see, you now have some ideas even with a short description. Keep in mind that you don't have to copy the answers as it is. You can instead use a chatbot to save time and come up with thoughts or just get inspiration quicker. The third way to make money using ChatGPT will be by giving translation services. Do you want to translate this text quickly and ensure it's correct? Don't worry, copy it. Go back to ChatGPT and tell the chatbot to translate it into the language that you want. For example, let's choose Chinese. And boom, just like that, you now have a translated text you can get paid for in seconds. You might ask where to find clients to sell these services. Well, the answer is pretty simple. You have here 2 options available. The first is to use popular freelance marketplaces such as Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour and more. The second way is to build your own website and find clients using different methods such as paid ads, for example. The fourth way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering product description writing services. For example, if you want to write a description for a product listed on Amazon, all you need to do is copy the product link and get back to ChatGPT and then do as follows. First, type product and paste the product's name. Then set an action to do. In this case, it will be to write 5 Amazon optimized bullet points explaining the features and benefits of each feature. Then you can set up the tone, for example, persuasive. Now let the magic begin. As you can see, we now have a fully optimized product description for Amazon without writing a single letter ourselves. Isn't that mind-blowing? Let me know in the comments. Let's move on to the fifth and final way to make money using ChatGPT, which will be the video scripts writing service. As you can see, there are a lot of successful sellers on Fiverr providing the service. And if we look at this top-rated seller, we can see that he has over 1,800 reviews, which means that there's high demand for this service. You know what comes next? Yep, exactly. Go to ChatGPT, set the action to write a video script, start the conversation, and when it's done, copy, paste, deliver, and get paid. These are very basic ways to start making money using ChatGPT. But you can be more creative to offer more complex services. If you want me to share more strategies of making money using ChatGPT, let me know within the comments. And if you find the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, as this helps me make more videos and give more important information. That was it for today's video. And always remember, the longer you're not taking action, the more money you're losing. Thanks for watching and see you next time.